Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Earbuds SOUNDCORE C40i from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. Then click the information icon near to your earbuds device list, or also it could be a settings icon. So click on it and you need to find disconnect button. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So if you click on disconnect, it leaves your device at the device list, and if you click unpair, it will remove it from your phone. So now let's tap on it, and as you can see right now that it's left on my device list, but it's not connected with earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.